What's up, you guys? It's Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes on another new construction video home tour. This one is the Town Center at Overlook, and it is amazing because he's got a white brick, modern, contemporary feel to them, beautiful countertops, spacious floor plans, and these are positioned right next to the Peachtree Corners Town Center and the Forum. So come check it out. Hey guys, like I mentioned before, this is Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes, and we're here at Town Center Overlook, the new construction built by McKinley Homes here in Peachtree Corners, just minutes away from the Forum, which is a huge shopping outlet area, as well as the town center itself, which is right across the street. In another video, I'm going to go in depth talking about those things so that you can see, really just get a neighborhood community feel and not just take a look at the neighborhood, but see what's around it. But for this one, let's dive into the details. They've got several lots available here at Town Center Overlook, and they're priced in the high 400,000s, as low as 478,000 to as high as 504,000. This all depends mainly on some of the pre-selected options that they have inside the homes, as well as the lot premium, which is a little bit higher if they are end units, because you're not sharing with two neighbors and you got that extra sunlight coming in with the different windows from the one side. All of these are 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom homes. They got a few floor plans, mainly the Olmsted and the Linwood, and they got different variations of these. Some of them you'll see that they've got quartz countertops in the kitchen, others have got granite countertops. Some of them they have gray cabinetry, while others have got that dark blue cabinetry, which seems to be a new trend these days. To lock yourself into a contract with this, basically all you need to do is sign the contract itself and deposit the earnest money, which is a mere $5,000. Typically, earnest money is about 1% of the purchase price. That is for resales, but new construction can also be higher than that, but in this case, it's one of the lowest amounts I've seen. So it's really an awesome, entry point into getting a contract, I would say. And what is most amazing about these is that you've got a $25,000 incentive that can be used towards closing costs and buying down your interest rate, so long as you use their approved lender, also known as the preferred lender of the builder. But I give you a hint that I know that won't be on this paper that has all the information. Are you ready? That hint is that because of the motivation of the builder to sell these homes, they're offering this discount even with your outside lender. So yes, while you could go with their approved, aka preferred lender to get the incentive, you can go with an outside lender, meaning if they give you a better interest rate, it may be in your favor to work with them, and on top of that, you will get that $25,000 credit for what they have to offer. Again, in another video, I'm gonna cover the actual community around, but here is just the neighborhood that I wanna show you, and so let's dive right in.